Ahoy there, trader. So, just picking up from Friday's workshop and some of our insider discussions. Like, what am I looking at for when I'm thinking about a day trade? I've said several times that I'll know today if there's a trade for tomorrow. And this is what it looks like. At its most basic, the 2-minute chart, so that the main area is the 2-minute chart. I could just one time frame it, and the market's closed. I'm doing this on Sunday, and what I'm looking for is, in the last 1 to 2 hours, a consolidation. Really simple. In addition to that, I want to see the average prices really they don't have to be crossed, but I want to see them close together. So if you look at the previous day, so this is now Thursday, and this is Friday, we can see that same almost an hour of a consolidation at the end of the day. So why was this different to this? Again, if you look at the 50 and the 200, there's a wide separation. It's still a continuation of that prior trend. Again, it's just off the left of the chart. You can see on the 60s here, you've got that downward movements for, the prior, 1 to 2 days. So it's just a continuation of that previous move. So now what we've got the average prices flattening. We've got our usual multiple 20 crossing the 50 period moving average crossing over to give us a mechanical consolidation. And when we inspect it, we've got this actual multiple touches of lows, multiple touches of the highs. It actually looks like it's broken out just at the tail end of Friday. And that might actually suggest a bullish movement. It's not critical, it's just a little bit of extra analysis here. Now, other things that I like is I like swing trading this as well. So one of the things that I like to do is buy dips in an uptrend. So this is the daily chart at the top left. And I've got one of those little V-shaped patterns that I love for swing trading. If it goes above the apex, that's going to be great. So maybe a move up to retest the highs a little past $160. Again, we can see the same thing on the 60-minute chart. There's that V-shaped pattern that we just noted. There's the apex that I just marked off. And now when we combine this, I've got this day trade opportunity right here that might allow me to trade up to the apex when the swing traders may be getting involved. Should there be some follow through, again, I've already done some past analysis, but we should be able to see a move up to about 160. Again, looking left, that's where this downward sloping trend line that I've previously drawn kind of dissects the movement. So this retest the high looks great. I've got my process and routine, but I've also got some validation across different time frames. So this not only could be a good day trade, but it could also offer up a good swing trade for some extra profit. So this could be a great trade. As always, well, I don't know what's going to happen any more than the next person, but I've just seen these things unfold many, many times over the last 28 years. And this is currently what I'm looking for today to know if I'm trading tomorrow. And again, just at its most basic, I can one time frame it by looking at the 2-minute chart and looking for a consolidation at the end of yesterday, in this case Friday. Average prices close together. They don't have to be crossed, but just close together, flatlining. And then I can look for a breakout. Bullish or bearish breakout will be fine for the day trade purpose. The extra analysis on the other time frames is just helping me find maybe there's more than a day trade. Maybe there's also a short-term swing trade opportunity as well. So just the day trade, 2-minute charts, and again with a kicker of maybe there's something extra. So this is what I'm looking at. As you can see, it takes less than 5 minutes to analyze the opportunity, and I'll know today if there's an opportunity tomorrow. In this case, possibly all week for the short-term swing trade. Hopefully that helps. I will speak to you very, very soon.